Hey guys, it's me, Eddie here, and I got a squishy package, and it came in a bubble mailer, and I got this squishy package from Amazon, and now I am going to open it. Ooh, this is like really hard to open. Okay, so oh my god. I ordered an iLoom and Punimaru squishy, and here is the first squishy. Oh my god. So it is this cheeky banana. It's really dense because it's been out in the cold and it's taking a really long time to rise back up. And I'm going to take it out of the packaging. It smells like bananas, like really good bananas. Here's the licensing on the back, and like I said before, it's really cold outside. This is the miniature version, but it's pretty big. It's the size of my palm. And here we got a what is it called? A plastic tag, and you can put it in the squishy or right here, because that's why they have this little hole, so you can put it in or keep it out. And you can also put it on your phone or something. So I'm just gonna take that out. So this is the keychain, and I want to see what it looks like in the squishy. Actually, I kind of don't feel like it. Cheeky is so cute. This is the mischievous version, and so here it is. It's it looks really nice. So that is that squishy. I'm just going to put it back in the packaging. And the banana smell is really good. These are some of the other designs. And I'm just going to put this off to the side with the squishy. Okay, so on to the next squishy. Oh my gosh. And, okay. And here it is. It is the Boulet de Champagne, and it is made by Mosh and iBloom. Wait, it says Mosh and iBloom right there. And this packaging is amazing. And this squishy is Aoyama Tokyo squishy, and it's this packaging is so nice. And these two squishies come with resealable packaging, so I'm going to take it out. And here it is. And this is the real iBloom one. And this is the real Punimaru one. And it's like, it's so cold. It smells so good too. I want to see if I can find the licensing for you guys. Yeah, I can't find it right now, probably because it's like still rising. But like, oh, I found it. Right here it says iBloom. It's really faint, so you can't see it that well. Yeah. And this is like my #1 favorite squishy now because it's like really good. So, it takes like forever to rise, probably because of the coldness from outside. Because, like, you know how when you see those videos and people like refrigerate their squishies, like outside feels like a refrigerator, like even colder. So that's probably why it's like so so cold, you know, and like so slow rising. But like, this was only $19 on Amazon, and this was $11. Like, some places sell it for like so expensive. So this is the Boule de Champagne. I may be saying that wrong because like it's in French. And this packaging is like really nice. So I'm just gonna put it back in. So here it is, and thank you guys for watching my video today, and have a nice day.